Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. We've got more questions about just general API or working with APIs with Python. This one is in regards to Python 3, where this person learned from a typical online guru, trading guru, retail trading guru, using discretionary or human-based decisions. Uh, from what I gather, the guru does not understand how to really trade. I think the course is around $3,000. Plus, there's this, I'm not going to name names here, but there's a fake hedge fund which this guru owns, which has proven to be structured in a way where it's a total scam. So the problem is a lot of people will put a lot of money into this and will want to get some kind of return on that investment of $3,000 when they may realize that what they just spent may be not exactly what they expected. So what happens is people will then start to discover automated trading, algorithmic based trading, systematic based trading, look at different ways through pretty well all paths outside of retail trading platforms will lead to Python, and then that leads them to wanting to figure out how to integrate that with big brokers like Interactive Brokers. So this is where we're at with this particular person. They download an API that I suggest that works with Interactive Brokers. The question is, I've downloaded the API, and again, it's for Python, and trying to get the basic order execution going. I was wondering if you have any basic code that connects Interactive Brokers. Do you connect through TWS or through the gateway? To answer the specific question, I've got two courses that address both. The gateway is a more complicated way to connect into Interactive Brokers. I think they do that pretty well on purpose, where they will want you to connect through maybe Java or C++. The other way is through the software, the trade workstation, or trader's workstation, whatever the proprietary platform, because it'll connect into 4 or 5 different languages. Python is one of them. To answer the question, if you're starting out and using Python, obviously you got to use Python, TWS with the Python. And places basic orders. Yes, I have demonstrations that show that in the APIs, different ones, different programming languages. So I cover that in the courses that I have. When I look at stuff, it is all Greek to me, but I'm trying to muddle through it, and muddle you will, especially if you don't have a strong programming background. As a result, I've got these courses. I'm not here to pitch this person, whoever, but it is structured in a way where you'll have a better understanding, because once you get the orders, that's all fine and good. But then the next step is to, how do you structure it? How do you do the risk management? How do you do the position sizing? And so on and so forth. And how you capture the data as well. So there's different steps. That's why I've got the courses out there. As you know, I've got the intake one starting up next month in January. And that's going to have it's going to have 6 weeks of live course material twice a week. So it's going to be pretty good. So I'm hoping I've answered this specific question for the person, and overall for anybody else. There are ways to do it, and if you're specific with my stuff, that's what I've got. So if you're interested, let me know, and we go from there. Talk to you later.